Attention all aspiring drivers and those passionate about serving the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, ITBP. The ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card for the 2025 exam is now available, and it's time to get your hands on this crucial document. But here's where it gets controversial. With so many important details to remember, it's easy to miss a step or two. So, let's dive into this process together and ensure you have a smooth journey towards your dream job. The ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card 2025, a step towards your career. The ITBP has officially released the Meat Card for the Constable, Driver, exam, scheduled for November/December 2025. If you're one of the candidates gearing up for this examination on November 3, 2025, you'll be glad to know that your hall ticket is now accessible on the official website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. This is your golden ticket to the exam, so don't delay in downloading it. A quick overview of the ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card 2025. Release date, November 3, 2025. Official website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Vacancies, Constable, Driver, 712 posts. Age limit, 21 to 27 years, with relaxation as per rules. Qualification, 10th pass with a valid HMB driving license. And this is the part most people miss. The application process for this exciting opportunity began on October 8, 2024, and the last date to apply was November 6, 2024. So, if you've already applied, it's time to retrieve your Meat Card and get ready for the next steps. How to download your ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card 2025. Follow these simple steps to download your Meat Card. Visit the official ITBP website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Navigate to the Meat Card section on the homepage. Look for the ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card 2025 link and click on it. Enter your registration number, date of birth, and the capture code. Click Submit to access your Meat Card. Download the Meat Card and take a printout for future reference. Selection process, a comprehensive overview. The selection process for the ITBP Constable, Driver, position is rigorous and comprehensive. It includes the following stages: PET and PST test, physical efficiency and physical standard tests to assess your fitness. Written examination, a written test to evaluate your knowledge and skills. Document verification, a crucial step to verify your eligibility and credentials. Driving test, a practical test to assess your driving skills. Medical examination, a final check to ensure you meet the medical requirements. A friendly reminder. Remember, the ITBP Constable, Driver, position is a highly sought-after role, so ensure you meet all the eligibility criteria and have all the necessary documents ready. Stay focused, and good luck with your exam preparation. Final thoughts and a call to action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Download your ITBP Constable, Driver, and Meat Card 2025 now and take the first step towards a rewarding career with the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Stay tuned for more updates and best of luck. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.